Elders Wakery, in conjunction with Nature Foundation SA, proudly presents 3 substantial community title allotments between 900 and 964 hectares each. Located 6 kilometres west of Blanchetown, adjacent to the Brookfield Conservation Park, this beautiful patch of mallee woodland also has some open sugarwood areas and is bustling with wombats, echidnas and birds. Access throughout the estate is by unformed tracks in good condition. To reduce the impact on the movement of native animals, particularly kangaroos and wombats, fences within the estate are not permitted. Water is available to all properties through the community title, but there is no power connection. Each property has a 1 hectare parcel set aside to build your getaway home or weekender, subject to Nature Foundation approval.